What's up to my friends on YouTube? In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to unmute someone on Twitter. Now, if you're not familiar with this, sometimes Twitter will ask you if you want to mute someone, or there's also an option to directly mute someone, and basically this is kind of a step below from blocking, where their posts just won't show up and you'll never see them in your feed ever again, unless you purposely go out of your way to look up their profile, kind of just a way of soft blocking them so they could still see your profile. It's just that you won't see theirs if it comes up in your feed or on the Explore page of Twitter. So what you're going to want to do here once you're on the Twitter app is hit your profile picture in the top left corner, and it's going to bring up this menu here, and then you could go all the way down and scroll down until you see settings, and then you'll click on that. Once you're in settings here, you're just going to scroll down a little bit until you get to the fifth option there that says privacy on safety, and you'll go to that menu there. And then the fourth option on this menu is for mute and block. You'll just go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you to another menu where it will show you a bunch of different options. And you can see these options here. And what you are looking for is the second option down to muted accounts. Now, I haven't personally muted anyone, so I don't have any accounts here. But if you did have any muted accounts, you would just be able to directly unmute them from this screen here. That's all I got for today's video, though. If you did find this helpful today, be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you had any questions about how this worked, though, comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Other than that, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.